Rizela Mafhungo a SABC ubva pano Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Twi Mafhungo morwane ngachino chipinga kea. Chanda chamura na mapolisa wa masipala wa Ikuruleni boemiso mushumoni bo Julius Mkanazi bo diwana za puka komishini ya majanga. Mudibi wa murayo irekande tewa bari kuerero yori presidenti wa Ramaphosa ba weswe murandu wa udifari busia budi na unga feza bu viswa chidroni nga parliamente zingaporoza.
This is a sickness that our society has been experiencing, and we must expose each and every one that is doing this. That register now for sex offenders, we are going to demand that register.
Murandu wa uchipa unawako weswa munoa mingwa futano rati wa pala Dobsonville Soweto wa firiserwa panda. Mirandu ya bufura na chimbeba cha wita bufura unawako weswa presidenti wa zangano la bora la mirenje pano Afrika Chipembe Safa Bodeni Jordan na ba wherero ngabo yo firiserwa panda. Da arichelo kobera ndi madekwa na ribarisala Mafhungo pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na kali hai. Chanda chamura na mapolisa pa masipala wa Ikuruleni wemiso mushumoni bo Julius Mkanazi bo banga pasi ya mutsiko kazo ya fibo shumisa chipinga cha utucherwa habo mutani zezo siya bachitendero babu imaonecheza butanzi ushikana musi ngandira esiyabudi bo Mkanazi bakonecheza butanzi kama barabari anokwama zigoroeza mabone amapolisa na ufibo rangapanda chimiswa cha tungo cha chimiswa cha mapolisa ba masipala nazo ya fi bo zumbecheza burela munne wa bengere ani hafi oburawa ngaicho chimiswa. Chanda chamura no mapolisa wa EMPD wemiso ushuma mushumoni bo Julius Mkanazi bo shumisa chipinga cha utucherwa mutani sandira ya utodoru firsero zuro la madlanga panda izwi limusizorombeja zosumbeza uri meabo Mkanazi oboba bachipira abo Mkanazi ngamingwa ya fumi zezo asiya unambuziso njinji.
How do you explain the fact that your mother is 10 years older than you, according to you?
When you say you were born with something else, she's my stepmother. She raised me since I was 8 years. No, so since I was 8 years or 7 years old.
Musi zoderaro kajine bo Mkanazi bakuvujiswa abakwima kazuye bamba zone matomoni nahone abakutungunuza.
I still maintain that I didn't lie, you see, and the program says so, and I've explained it, and I'm still going to explain it, and the Commissioner Kumalo just summarized it for me. I didn't lie to the Commissioner. Even the day of engagement, remember when it was the consultation, I didn't raise it when we discussed, but towards the end I raised it, that whilst we were discussing, I'm having this challenge of a funeral tomorrow. You see, if I wanted to hide, I was not even going to come to for consultation.
Bo Mkanazi bo vujiswa ngazwito za buchinyi yaite ya musibe mranga panda na ujia cheo zirenga nda manda abo heba findura ziteberaho.
I think for now there's no law that has challenged us. As I've said that before I joined,
Is it lawful? I'm not asking whether you've been challenged. Is it lawful?
Yes, in the court of law, they've accepted those dockets. They've sentenced those suspects, you see. And in our minds, or in their minds, it's like that, no, it's lawful. It has been happening.
Komishini ya majanga ikativera panda. Mudibi wa murayo irekande otewa bari kwerero ya wari presidenti ya Ramaphosa ba weswe murandu wa udifari busia budi na unga fedza bu biswa chidroninga parliamente zwichingatikana zwitebela mu bigo viswa wonga ba IP tinga chiwo cha brasini ya pala sichawa ya budi naone nga fedza yo poroza mu bigo yo uniwa buzisa ngazwi ne presidenti ya Ramaphosa badiba kazezwa velera musi uchitswiwa brasini yabo ya pala nga mwaha wa gidimbiri fumbiri.
Zikebero biswa mu bigo aba IPD we wakunyerezwa nga girimbi 2000 zazuna matote aka parliamente hune a khou lavhelela uri i ḓo vusuludza maitele a u hwesa President Vho Ramaphosa mulandu wa vhuḓifarusi havhuḓi na u vha bvisa tshiduloni. Dzangano ḽa ATM ḽi ḽa swikisa fhungo ḽa u vhona President mulandu nga 2022 ḽo no ḓiṅwalela tshipikara tsha Phalamennde Vho Thokhodidiza. Fhedzi vhaḓivhi vha ndayotewa vha ri fhungo iḽi a ḽo ngo tou lavheleswa nga vhuronwane.
Insofar as impeachment is concerned, Parliament had initiated a process a few years ago under Section 89 of the Constitution. It decided not to proceed to the second phase of that investigation in terms of Parliament's rules, and that matter is now before the Constitutional Court, and a decision is imminent within the next few weeks on the rationality of Parliament's decision not to proceed with the second leg of the investigation.
Muvhigo wa IPD uzozwara zwa uri vhaṅwe vhahulwane vha mapholisa vho shumisa tshomedzo dza muvhuso nga nḓila si yone vhone vhona idu vha ri ndi zwine ha tea u sedzeswa khazwo.
Calls for the impeachment of the president following the release of the IPID report into the conduct of police officers involved in the Phala Phala investigation are opportunistic and ill-conceived. The IPID report makes findings against 2 police officers, Major General Wally Ruda and Constable Rehoto. The question to be asked now is what action has IPID or the SABC taken to institute the disciplinary measures that were recommended in that report.
Dzangano ḽa ATM ḽi khou ṱoḓa maitele a u hwesa President mulandu a tshi bvela phanḓa zwi tshi na ndayotewa. Tshipikara tsha Phalamennde Vho Didiza vha ri vho no ḓiṱanganedza ḽiṅwalo u bva kha dzangano ḽa ATM vha ri vha khou ḽi lavhelesa.
Zwa zwine ra ḓisela vhupfiwa mahoro a polotiki nga fhungo ḽa uri Phalamennde yo wane mulandu President na u fhedza i tshi vha bvisa tshiduloni zwi tshi tevhela muvhigo wa vha IPID nga tshiwo tsha u tswiwa bulasini ya Phala Phala. Izwi zwi khou tevhela zwe ḽihoro ḽa ATM kana vha ḽihoro ḽa ATM vha isa khumbelo kha tshipikara tsha buthano ḽa lushaka Vho Thokhodidiza uri vha vusuludze fhungo ḽa u ṱoḓa u bvisa President tshiduloni zwi tshi tevhela tshiwo tsha u tswiwa bulasini yavho ya Phala Phala.
Maṅwe mahoro a polotiki a khou nanga u vha o fhumula he vha sumbedza uri vha ḓo lindela tsheo ya tshipikara tsha Phalamennde musi vha sathu sumbedza vhuimo havho. Vha ḽihoro ḽa ANC vha ri vha nga si bve mulomo zwa zwino. Vha DA vha ri vha ḓo bva mulomo fhedzi musi no vheiwa ṱafulani mawanwa. Ngeno vha IFP vha tshi ri u tshi nga matsheloni uri vha ambe nga tsheo yavho u sathu vha na tsheo ya Phalamennde. Vha ḽihoro ḽa Aljamaa vha ri vha ḓo fhindula musi tshipikara tsha Phalamennde vho no ḓivhadza fhungo iḽi. Fhedziha a si yoṱhe mahoro ane a khou dzhia tsheo ya u fhumula.
Phala Phala, like many other issues in this country, always deserves proper and thorough investigation. Recent reports have come back with new additional information that challenges what the role of the president is, what the role of the head of security, Wally Ruda has been, and many other new sets of information. As Build One South Africa, we want to state categorically that where there's new evidence that emerges, this matter must be investigated, and Parliament must have an opportunity to investigate what this information means.
Zwi tshi hezwo vha ḽihoro ḽa PA vha ri vha ḓo isa phanḓa na u tikedza President Vho Ramaphosa.
We will not support a motion that serves to paralyze the state at a time when we are finally turning the corner on service delivery. With the rand stronger, inflation lower, over 300,000 jobs created, the Patriotic Alliance stands for accountability, but we also stand for fairness. We will continue to support President Ramaphosa and the GNU.
Musi una khetekana ha mahoro kha tsheo ya u bva mulomo na u fhumula zwa zwino maṱo lavhelesa kha ofisi ya tshipikara tsha Phalamennde hune ha ḓo dzhiiwa tsheo ine ya ḓo vula nḓila ine ya ḓo tevhelwa.
Mulandu wa u tshipa une wa khou hweswa munna wa miṅwaha ya 56 wa fhaḽa Dobsonville Soweto wo fhirisela phanḓa u ya kha ḓuvha ḽa vhu-22 ḽa uno ṅwedzi. Muhwelelwa o ḓivhonadza khothe ya zwiṱuku fhaḽa khothe ya madzhisiṱirata ya Rooiport hune a khou hweswa mulandu wa u tshipa ṅwananyana wa miṅwaha ya 12. MEC wa mveledziso ya vhadzulapo Vho Nomantu Nkomora Lehuku vho sasaladza zwiito izwo. MEC vho dovha hafhu vha hanedzana na u nga ṋetshedzwa beiḽi ya muhwelelwa uyu he vha ri muhwelelwa uyu u khombo kha lushaka.
See that this man didn't start this thing now. We have seen that he doesn't even have remorse when we saw him in court there. It's something that is in him. He is used to this thing. We are going to go even to the church that he used to go to, so that we are able to interview the children that are there and find out if they have not been victims of this man. But another thing that we're going to do as the Department of Social Development is to apply to all the courts now in the province. We're going to be friends of the courts. All the cases that have been there, we're going to look into them, work with the NGOs, and ensure that we revisit some of those court cases that have been there. Because this is a sickness that our society has been experiencing, and we must expose each and every one that is doing this. That register now for sex offenders, we're going to demand that register, because we're going to work and make sure that everyone that is a sex offender is being known. We're publicizing those registers to everyone in the communities, so that if you are sitting with a sex offender amongst the communities, he must go. And this man, even if he can get the bail, but he must go to our community. We can't sit with a man that is like this one, who pretends as if he's a good man to the community and sleep with our kids after that.
Khoti ya Magistrate ya Polokwane yapirisala phanda khumbira bili ya bahumbulerwa bamalo bana bakohwesa mulandu wa bulayo na bupura amashirini andinda khombo ya rufu uya khala buraru. Izwi zikotabala chanduko khaba emeriri bamkala wabo Rachel Kutumela bani baba bo David Kutumela.
On this letter to tomorrow, 15th April 2026, for a formal bill application in terms of the 6 schedules. All accused persons shall then be remanded in custody.
Basi ngotochera kure reawia zunuzumuskari. Kabla wapu batanganiza pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na Kalihai. Minister wazomubusere bovelenkosi nihlabisa boita khwerero ya chumisano bokati ya mubuso na abatibi bazwanda ngoro ya zwiwo zinezo banga chinyalo ya mupo musile na shango liskoriba na kedu za chinyalero ziwangwaho nga chanduko za kilima mwananga vundu wa Gauteng bane babaka na bane bakoshirera kwangano yi ya ndangoro ya zwiwo za mupo bopanya zali Sofi bokwaseza urichimisano na masia wote ya mubuso ndiendeme uitero punguza kedu zirahoni.
This Indaba is definitely about responding earlier to disasters, because we are living in a reality. It is disaster after disaster, and we should not be responding after the disaster has occurred. We need to be proactive. This Indaba must produce a plan that will be nationwide in South Africa. How are we planning to respond early? The early warning signs should be used. The plans from municipal level should be in place, and they should be funded to ensure that we do not respond, but we plan ahead.
We'll be in a position to respond to the challenges that are faced by our people. The situation is getting complex literally every day. As Gauteng, we face this critical and interconnected set of environmental challenges that threaten its long-term sustainability, economic resilience, and quality of life. We live in an age of uncertainties. Natural and human-made disasters are part of our daily realities. What we need is to know that there's no country that is free from these hazards, such as flooding, dolomites, acid mine drainage, fires, volcanoes, wildfires, cyclones, hurricanes, and many of these disasters. We come to you as the Gauteng province to say, let's plan together.
Zazi narubadisela mapungazo ya ekonomi na randa yabo nariodzika musi chibambedzwa na mamwe mashireni maulwane alipasi. Dollar rand is 16 rands 32 cents, pound 22 rands 15 cents, euro 19 rands 27 cents, pula ya Botswana 1 rand 15 cents. Gaz musuku ndi 4,809, platinum ndi 2,091, oil isongo kunakiswawo ndi $95.75 gafagi. MEC wa mashirini bo indogulungwana na muluisi wa Reserve Bank bolisi jakanyako badoranga panda burumerwa uya kamutangano wa IMF na banga ya lipasi nge Washington inobege izi zikubawone musi baranga panda baizozimiswa bachikuberezwa ngandwa ya mavadu bakati hunabari zikukwamanga ndira esiyabudi nyaruo ya ekonomi une zvakonanisa ushaya mishumo zurwane kamashango ani akadibverera.
So, what hit us? A supply shock that is large, with the world's daily oil flow cut by some 13% and its LNG flow by some 20%. It is global, with all of us now paying more for energy and with supply chains disrupted around the world. In fact, had it not been for this shock, the world would have been in such a much better place than we would have been upgrading our growth projections. But now, even in our most hopeful scenario, we would have a downgrade. Why? Because of significant infrastructure damage, supply disruptions, losses of confidence, and other scaring effects. They're already baked in.
Fiscal headroom in public spaces cannot be relied upon to be the job creation engine of the coming period. The reality is 90% of jobs are created in the private sector. The overwhelming majority of them are created in micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. We need to think about those people and their ability and the entrepreneurs that they breed and the chance that young people can get from the creative economy and entrepreneurship and all that, and make that work in a virtuous cycle. The problem is we can't do this alone. We got to get this snowball to roll downhill, gathering a lot of snow as it goes along to reach that amazing number of 800 million. That's the gap we're looking at.
Ba dzangano la bashumi la numsa bosumbedza uredzo hakamidzi kanyambedzano na ba Eskom izwi zikotebera uhana habo percentage za sumbedza nyengedzedzo ya muholo ngaba Eskom zodiraro mango madzangano abashumi ufana na dzangano la NUM na Solidarity bakatifanya mbedzano idzo na nyengedzedzo ya miholo na bashumi ngala butanu lopirao ba Eskom bosumbedza uri bakonacheza percentage za sumbe ya nyengedzedzo ya miholo kabashumi bote. Zvono vana mimwedzi inosvika ya rati musi therisano za nyengedzedzo za miholo vukati ya kampani ya Eskom na dzangano la vashumi NUMSA line la valone la vuviri khaova liulwane dzo hakamidzi une vadzangano vakhuri vakutuzira kule percentage za sumbe dzo dzinginywaho nga va Eskom zwisitevera zwa Eskom ya shuma zwavhudi kha u kuvhanganya mbuyelo.
We hold a very strong view that Eskom is embarking on a broad daylight robbery of hard-working Eskom workers. What is even more provoking to NUMSA is the fact that Eskom has decided to make an offer that is shortchanging workers, and we demand that Eskom must give 8% in the first year and 7% in the following 2 years.
Ngangwa wa gilimbiri fumbiri raru mutori obonecheza percentage za sumbe ngangwambo wa chiwo cha ulwadzi ya COVID-19 na chifwinga cha usoko tsimwa mdagasi nga usiri sana zwa zwino ba NUMSA vari vakotoda mashirini abonarao.
In November of 2025, Eskom posted a 24 billion profit for the mid-year results and confidently indicated that they are cruising nicely to post a profit of 18 billion by the end of financial year, which is 2 billion more than what they have focused.
Uya nga vadzangano la NUMSA vari vashumi vakokhokovedzwa nga ugonya mitengo ya zwiḽiwa, ugonya pitirolo khathihi na mutengo ya u namela zwiendedzi zwo ralo muṅwaleli vho Ivan Jim vari zwi khou vha konḓela.
A dispute of this nature between NUMSA and Eskom and workers has got a potential to compromise delivery of the reliability of supply, because our members are completely rejecting the current 7%. We're talking about workers whose everything is affected by inflationary pressures, the basket of food, the transport cost. Last year, Eskom increased electricity by 12%. This year, it is 9%.
Vamadzangano a Solidarity na National Union of Mine Workers abatu vamulomo nga percentage yovota fulani nga ngwambo wori vachevulindiro fara mtangano na hone tendelano ya mingwa miraru ye vatendelana idofererwa nga chipinga nga mwezi wa Fulwi. Mwanandu wa pupura na chimbeba cha wito wa pupura eni yako weswa presidente wa dzangano lilanga obora ya milenje pano Afrika chipembe bodini Jordan na bamwe bahwerero ngabo pirisala panda uya kala 2005 la shindunture bo Jordan na bahwerero ngabo bodibana za kote ya zwa makwebo ya Palm Reach ngeira ndani uvaduba na musi. Bo Jordan bodibana za kote na bahulwane kana mhulwane wa karozo mashirini wa safa bo chroni hluyo muranguri wa Grid Communications wa Trevor Netling na muranguri wa company ya Grid Communications muchimbizi wa kare wa safa bo Russell Paul abahumbulerwa aba batanu bakokweswa murandu ini akatera bwada mashirini aranda za milioni T,6 na chimbeba chawita pupura kote yopesa la panda murandu uyu ngauri kote ikoraberesa kumbere yosikiswawo ngabo Jordan na bawererwa ngabo kumbere izi zidotechereswa ngalafu mbulisumbe la ramba mai boremerayo bawererwa boita kumbero ya ori murandu uyu ubviswe kote. Aiwa ubvakando ya komunara na chigwada chibabirizi adawa madeko na budi ndende.
Ndiko anarkwata nezo zori kwaso mshashu mari kwana no yakala machero ndakoro kumchwa mvula zinezo dine manda hospital zino ngobenia mvula kurukeze kwa zona hospital zori ndi zwa ubadu wakati zino hospital zwa debra woni arko dopra wana rubondo rami orotora kolera dor kwana manya pala upone kapa uskara pizza chakala machero kodora mvula zila kizla roza brapa na hospital zori ndi zwa debra kati hospital zwa badu oni ara ono rubondo rami orotora kolera ro dibanda ono diso swenda tungo zabari ndi za chipembe pizza udibana tsuzo zinza hone ndo kutsimbisa rokora mchwa mvula zinza bazi kuperezwa madumbu hospital zwa bari ndi zwa badu oni ara chakala machero kodopra tsibuza zidiba hone kadwala machero na ko kezi lambura za shu zinza bazi kuperezwa madumbu zona sindira hospital zwa zwa katasha mkhatsha zwa bari zwa debra pizza zwa badvara panda ramdro samro tsha piso ukalwa degree Celsius manol Africa fimero ko tsama vundla shina bande vundla Gauteng na ko kezi skor 24 para Durban Pretoria zara 22 para Bronco Spirit Katina 21 pone bore India Springs archa akavundla bande vundla yani vundla ipopo nene par kola mchobori udopisa kwa pala msina zara 32 zara 30 thando Katina 31 pone bore ndia palaborwa archa panda archa akavundla bande vundla Mpumalanga nane par kola mchone bore udopisa kwa kala machero pala skokoza zeta 33 zara 25 pala mashishin kazari 24 pone bore ndia Carolina archa panda archa akavundla bande vundla KwaZulu Natal nane par kola mchone bore udopisa kwa kala machero neza dita 34 pala Richards Bay zara 32 ulundi kati na 30 pone bore ndia Peter Maritzburg kavundla bore vundla Eastern Cape hapa kwa mchoni bore udopisa pala Mtata zara 27 zari 23 pone bore ndia zara 26 pala Komani kati na 22 pone bore ndia Tebeka archipela panda chaka vundile bore ndivundula Western Cape hapa ni mchoni bore udopisa pala Freedom zara 23 zara 20 Durban Cape Town kati na 20 pala Lensburg chaka vundile bore ndivundula Northern Cape nane par kwa mchoni bore udopisa kala machero oneza dita 26 pala Upington zari 23 pone bore ndia Kimbale kati na 24 pone bore ndia Carnarvon namba tacha kavundile bore ndivundula Free State nane par kwa mchoni bore udopisa pala Frankfurt zari 22 zari 20 pala Bethlehem zari 21 Durban bore ndia Bloemfontein matazo zinobe petsa vundula shine bore ndivundula Northwest narakore ndimchwa mvura hospital zinjo vunduri zaita 21 pala Potchefstroom zari 24 pala Rustenburg katina 23 Ottosdal katina 23 pala pone bore ndia Makemba tangoro organiza vakata fala mucho zozora fora zone matekora anotiri uda usiku wa vudi da
Eskom.